Alright guys, we're live. The notification should be coming soon. So we'll wait till we hear the ping on the notification. Bam, there it is. I got the buzz on the phone, so everybody knows we're live now. But anyway guys, we got the hood up on the Jag here. You see we got the doors open. Behind me is a TrapBlazer 2. Today guys, we had one of the viewers, one of the followers, ask about the Underglow. He said he was interested in doing it to his car. He has a Jaguar. It's a nice one. I'll post some pictures here later on. I have some. I think he said it's a 05. It's a R-Type. It's the 4.2 liter supercharged. I'm not sure if he's got an auto or a stick in that, but I'm pretty sure it's probably the 6-speed. And I think his name is here. I have it wrote down. I'm terrible with names. Tim Roderick, I think is how you say that. So a shout out to him. So we're going to show him how we did the Underglow on the truck and the car. They're both a little different. The truck is real simple. The car is really too. Is not very difficult really at all. But the car, I'm not really happy with the Underglow. My strips are too short. I want to get different strips on there and extend them out and make them a lot longer. Steve Boatman, the Godfather, what's up, man? A shout out to him. He's watching with us, guys. So anyway, without further ado, we'll show you what we did here on the Blazer. It's real simple. Let me get the camera flipped around and we'll get started. Okay, the Underglow on this was real simple, guys. I don't think I ran it back here to these batteries. I probably could have, but there's a charge lead that goes to those. I think that we started on the Blazer up here, and I just hooked it to the hot terminal up here and a ground on the chassis. You can see it's been on there for a while, so it's starting to get a little corroded, but it's not bad. It wouldn't be bad to use a star washer in here. That would help out a lot, really, with the corrosion, things like that, helping it break down. Let's see if I can get the light on it, guys. That might help. So you can see back there a little bit. We just grounded off at the chassis, but we just ran the hot lead into the hot post in here. This pops off. There's a hot post in here. It's probably this one of these here, guys. So we just jumped off the hot post, ran the ground off the chassis, and it runs down through the fire, down behind the firewall, down in here, guys. And the truck, I should have probably turned the wheel. Would have made this a little easier. We have the other camera going out here. This is Jalea, my daughter. She's been the camera girl for a while, so she's doing some camera work with the other camera. But back down here, guys, the box, I just ran those wires into here, and originally that box sat a little lower back here behind where this is cut. But when we cut this to put the wheels on, I just moved it. It's further up. It sits up in here, and it's just like M3'd on behind this plastic fender here, and I never have any problems with it. And those wires run. You can see the blue strip wires. Let's see if I get my phone back here. You can see some of the wires are just ran along the chassis, and I just have them taped up with some good underbody tape. Then they're all tucked and ran away down that way. Let's see if we can look. I need to shut this door. If we can get under here and look. I should have got the creeper for this. But you guys can see they come out here and they just run, they shine out off the chassis, and those have been on there for 2 years. And they pretty much just literally just string all the way around the truck and just snake along the chassis wherever there's little nooks and crannies to get them through, and they're out of the way of everything. So that's how we did it. That's how we did it on the Blazer, and it just pretty much goes all the way around. I think the last light is up here in the front of this. The Jag, let's see. The Jag is a little different the way we did this. If we come up here to the front, guys, you can see. If we come up here to the front, you guys will see there's no battery under this hood. So we have a different start point. Our start point is in the back. It's under the, they call it the boot, or it's in the trunk, you know. This is the bonnet, I guess, of the hood. So back here, my battery's in the trunk, just like his STR would be. So we're gonna flip this around. Let's show you here. We got the stuff for the giveaway here. We got to get that signed. Hopefully we can catch a stang banger today and get that signed. Man, I'm telling you, I have to get, these things are not the best for writing on fabric of any kind. I got to get some better markers for doing the Swagger King shirts. This is a mess, guys. I haven't tidied any of this up really, but pretty much what I did here is I think this goes to the Underglow here. I just have it, the negative terminal connected here to the negative terminal, and then the hot to the hot, and that's really all it is. The box is just ran, there's a plug hole in here, and I just ran the lead to that out. I haven't even bothered to put the grommet back in. I think I'm just gonna hit it with silicone, like black silicone. I'll lay the box flat, maybe lay it up against here, and adhere it, and then I'll just silicone this shut, so that way it's sealed up, and then I'm not getting a lot of water in here. But all this stuff needs tidied up, guys. But that just runs down through and pretty much just snakes around the same way. See, it comes out here. Let's see if we can get a good shot. It comes out there through that hole, connects down here, and runs all the way around the car pretty much. And I think that up here in front is the last Underglow on the strip, and it should have the plug, and it just sits up, let's see, underneath this lip. Let's see here, guys, let's flip this around. Here we go. And I just have it up underneath this lip here. It comes across, you can see, and it just runs out like that, guys. Really simple, not very difficult at all. So that's the Underglow. A little more of the in-depth on how to. This is what I did with the lights I put in the grill, in the bottom light here. These lights, guys, that come out of this S-Type are 194, and these RGB color change dome lights are the same. They're 194, so that's just like swapping out the original. So that's real simple. But what I did with those lights to get those to come on with the fog lights, there's this condensation hose here. Pretty much just the wires coming out of that to the park lights, I just linked into, cut the harness back here a little bit so I could have a little more room. This thing's kind of in my way, so I just had a little more room, and I just have to the ground and to the hot side of that, so it comes on with my park lights. So when the park lights are on, these lights in the grill, in the lower grill, come on down here with those. The fog lights, the harness is already in here, so those would be real simple when I go to do that project, guys. Real simple. So that's it. Let's see. So that's the Underglow. Man, it's bright out here, guys. We did get some sun today. It's nice. It's still a little chilly, but the sun is definitely out. So that's for the viewer. He wanted the Underglow a little more in-depth for his S-Type. So that kind of shows him what we did there on both vehicles, give him some ideas. It's really not hard. It just takes a little bit of getting under. The S-Type isn't so easy to get under. It'd be a lot easier if you had a set of ramps or something to pull it up on, or maybe lift it up with a jack and get under it, pick it up a bit, so that way you have some more clearance. But it wasn't terrible. I didn't use a creeper. I just used like this hoodie here, this old Adidas hoodie, and just crawled up under there, guys. Took care of it, ran the stuff. It's not bad. All kinds of little nooks and crannies to hide things away. Not very difficult. If you have any more problems, man, just inbox me. I'll help you out as much as I can. I'm a busy guy. A lot of work on the show, so I'm usually on the phone, usually on Facebook, so I'm generally not far. But that's pretty much it for today, guys. We're just out here. I wanted to do this video and get it done. As you can see, I've been driving the car around. It's a little dirty. It's not too bad. We got some stuff in the back seat. I have a few things I want to do to the car. A few more things I want to do to the car. I'm going to rearrange the sub. I think we're going to change this in the spring, guys. That's going to change out of here. The truck It was hella dirty, as you can see up underneath the hood. Let that go a bit this summer so we can drive around. And then inside here, we definitely got to get it ready for winter, so it's going to be closed up. You can see my floor mats are dirty as heck. Just been driving it, guys, hanging out, having fun. We worked on it a lot, and then we drove it around and had a lot of fun in it. So now it's time to clean it all up and get it ready to be put away. You guys can see it's fired up back here. I got the seats down. Some of this stuff needs tidied up, things I didn't get to. There it is. There's the noisemaker, guys. That's what it is. There's my bully dog. Hi, Z. Good boy. This is a view from the back. Show you guys from this side. This thing is awesome. This is a Dayton Audio DSP. It Bluetooth straight from the tablet up front. The tablet's off. You just see the backup camera, but it Bluetooth straight to that thing, and I'm telling you, this thing's great. It makes this Walmart equipment sound real nice. It really does. But you can see this thing's dirty, guys. It's got to get ready to be put up. Smells real nice. You can walk past the driveway and you can smell both the cars. They're all smelled up, but we definitely got to get this light replaced around here. I may just take it off for the year. Probably the one that goes behind, back there behind the by the firewall. But this is dusty and dirty. We need to get that cleaned up. You can see I got the headlights on. The purple shining. There's a camera girl. Hi again, Julia Ray.
Hi.
So that's it on the Jag, man. Real simple, real clean. I just started in the back, found a hole to get through. The truck was actually more difficult. This was pretty simple. You guys can see hood's up on the Jag. It's clean in here, guys. It's pretty clean. I'm missing a few pieces, I think. Like the plastic piece that goes here. I think that's gone. Maybe something that goes over the mounts here on this side, but it don't bother me. It's all right. Definitely want to change these wheels up in the spring and get this thing looking a little more the way I want it to. Gonna get it out to Amos, hopefully get some tin on here. We're gonna put some different sound in the back, but that's that'll be the project coming in the spring, guys. But I'm gonna do this video. Shout out to Tim Roderick. He's got an STR. I'm gonna post some pictures to him in a little bit. He sent me some of his STR. It's real nice looking. I really like the wheels he's got on that thing. So hopefully that helps him out. And if he can get the lights in there and get it accomplished and get it lit up, maybe we can get some pictures of that too. As far as the inside lights go, these lights pop out really easy. You can pretty much put any piece of plastic back here, just use your hand and that'll pop out. That is a regular oh hell, I can't remember if that's a tube or a bulb, but I just the ones that have the tube, I just soldered a wire to the end of the bulb, connected it to the hot and ground to the leads, but all the lights inside are replaced. These are just a regular one. This one comes out really easy. There's a video for that. You can see that really easy. The ones up here I did a little different. I left this one out. The two on the outside have the lights in it, so that way I can have all the accent lights on in here without having a big nice bright light up here, but I can still click the two map buttons and bring that light out. So I'll show you again. It's real simple. I just came back here from the battery, connected my terminals. Never mind this mess, guys. I got a few days where I'm gonna have to just get out here and clean this up. I just went through one of the plug holes. I'm sure in the bottom of here I've seen a few. This is a real simple one to get to. I'm going to mount this up, silicone that hole, make sure that it comes through on the other side and it seals up. We'll get all this cleaned up, cleared up before winter. You can see I got jumper cables back here. If you own an S-type, that is a must, guys, I'm telling you. You can see the amp. We got that tucked away in there. So there's cleaning up underneath there to do, guys, but that's how we ran the Underglow. Works real good, no problems. Truck was a little different. Like I said, we come through the front here, use the chassis ground, came through back here to go down below. Real simple, not too bad at all. So alright guys, for now that's what I'm doing. I'm getting this boxed up, packed up. I'm getting ready to go inside and chill out for a little bit. You can hear it in my voice still, but I'm alright, guys. I'm not really feeling too bad, but I can tell my voice is getting a little raspy. just choked up. It's getting coarse, I guess is the term for it. Hey, but no problems, Tim. Glad you guys come out and see it. If you have any other questions, man, inbox me. It's really not hard to do, but that's how I went through. You could probably put the seal back in and go through that way real easy, but I just figured some silicone seal it up real quick. It's the same. I won't have to mess with it that way, but hopefully that gives you a little better idea of what we did. You can find all kinds of little nooks and crannies and little spots to run those leads. I just used like a wire hanger, like a wire coat hanger or a piece of copper wire that was solid, and just use it like a needle and thread to get it through tight spots. Just a little black electrical tape on the end and fished it through. So any spot that was tight where I couldn't get my hands or anything like that, I just fished it through with something real thin like that. So that's the video, guys. I hope it helped out anybody else that's doing the underglow, that sort of thing, the underglow lights. Hopefully that helps them out. You can hear my dog back there barking. The neighbor kid. He sees him all the time. I don't know why he barks at him. Maybe he's just saying hi. But that's it, guys. If you're here just watching the videos, make sure to like, share, follow us. Check out the next clip. There'll be more coming. Give us a thumbs up. Keep on trapping. Chevy gang, guys.